Hello. So I just did a video on this and I didn't know my audio was not working well. So uh, it's about the Jamb 2023 uh, that is about to be written. And this is our platform where you can get past questions as well as lectures for your Jamb. So the platform is educateafricans.com. So you can search it in your browser if you're using your phone or your laptop. You can also search Google Play Store for it. So you can see these are the past questions. This is biology past question for Jamb, English past question, chemistry. When you go down, you also see the lessons. If you click on older posts, you see the lectures. After the lectures, you now do the past questions. So you can see this is physics classes. This is like the lesson. So when you click on it, you're gonna see like your normal class, a teacher teaching you. You can take down notes. So that is the classes. Then after the classes, you check out the past questions. So all these good. So whiteboard, normal class, learning. So you now go to the past questions. So I'm clicking back here so that I'll get back here and get to they say English past questions. You can click on it. So once you click on the English past question, you see the past question. Very, very explanatory the way you understand it. So you click, you see the video, then you click on the video, then it starts playing. So if you need the past question on a CD player or in a flash, you can just simply call me. If you want to get my number, you see here that we have contact us. You can click on this contact us. You see my number here. You can call me, or you can get to our YouTube channel where we have all our videos too. This is the link to the YouTube channel. So that is how you can use this platform to prepare for your upcoming Jamb. This is the best platform for you to use because people all over the continent, especially in West Africa, people that are using, that are doing whataap as well. So they call me and tell me about how good this product is. So just use it. And very, very importantly, some people are using my pictures and some snapshots of my videos to tell people that they should bring money for runs or expo or increasing mark or all those things. Please, I don't do that. I can never ask you for money for runs or expo. I don't do runs. I don't do exam runs. The only thing I do is to teach you and as well as give you past questions, tell you how to go about your exams. Anything about runs, expo, and all those things. Anybody telling you that it is me or is working with me, that is a total lie. I don't do that. Okay, so thank you. If you have any questions or concerns, drop them in the comment section. You can always contact me. You see here, you click on this contact, you see my phone number. So the platform name is educateafricans.com. Thank you and God bless.